In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a database in Metabase 26, step by step. We'll walk through connecting Metabase to BigQuery so you can start exploring your data right away. Before we begin, make sure you have admin access to your Metabase workspace and your BigQuery details handy, things like the project ID and a service account JSON file with appropriate access. Keep those credentials secure, we'll reference them, but we won't display anything sensitive. Start by opening your Metabase instance and signing in. From the main screen, head to the admin area and open the databases section. This is where all your data sources live and where you'll add new ones. Next, click the option to add a database. This brings up the Create form. At the top, you'll see a field for the database type. Open that menu and choose BigQuery. If you work with Google Ads data, note that Metabase doesn't connect to Google Ads directly. A common approach is to route that data into BigQuery first using a transfer or pipeline, then connect Metabase to BigQuery. Selecting BigQuery here sets Metabase up to query that consolidated data source. You'll notice an optional connection string field. Most people can leave this blank. It's there if you need to fine-tune parameters beyond the standard inputs, such as advanced networking or regional settings. If you're not sure, skip it for now. Find the project ID override field. If your service account JSON already contains the correct project, you can leave this empty. If you want to explicitly target a specific project, enter the project ID here to override what's in the JSON. Now upload your service account JSON file. This file should belong to a service account that has the necessary BigQuery permissions. Read access to the datasets you plan to query is usually sufficient. Storing and sharing this file securely is crucial, and rotating it periodically is a good practice. With those fields in place, click Add a Database, then click Save. Metabase will test the connection, and if everything checks out, it will begin syncing your schemas and tables. This initial sync can take a few minutes depending on the size of your datasets. Once the database appears in your list, you can confirm things are working by creating a new question and selecting your BigQuery database and a known table. If you run into issues, double-check the project ID, the service account's permissions, and that the BigQuery dataset location aligns with your configuration. Network restrictions or firewall rules can also block connections, so verify access if needed. That's it. You've connected BigQuery to Metabase, and you're ready to explore your data